time to get this installed. This is where it's going to go. It's not going to go in line with the gate because that's crooked to the thing. So I want to try and get it as close to the fence line there as I can, but I know that there's going to be concrete down here for when this post was put in by the fencer. If I can't get straight down there, I should be able to get it in line with this line here, which means I'm going to be standing somewhere close to here. The top's gotten a bit heavier because I've filled a lot of the tubes with the 16mm Rio just to give it a bit more weight so it won't get blown around in the wind. I'm going to use the top to get the position of the legs, and then I can dig down for the holes. This is concreted in. Two on this side, I got it braced so it doesn't go anywhere while it's setting. God, I hate this slope. This side's in. It's all braced. I've also braced it against the fence to stop it from wobbling up high. Same distance from the landing. That's parallel with the landing rather than the fence. That's why it's a small gap there and a bigger gap here. There's going to be stairs here, and we're going to build garden planters around these, using this and around that, so that we can plant the roses to go up and over the top. It is the quick set cement, but I find it doesn't set that quick. You can still mess around with it after 15 minutes, so it does a good firm set in 15 minutes, but I really don't think it adds much strength compared to traditional concrete. But I had the bag, so that's what I figured I'd use.